Hey everyone, this is Ismail from a View Group. In today's video, I'll be talking about stairs. Stairs is a system family. We can find it in Architecture tab in Circulation panel. So once we open this command, this modify panel will become like a blue one, and even though we can find the option bar. So when we are in this command, we do have something called run, landing, and support. From run, we can find some ready default shapes, let's say. And we do have this little one, which is create sketch. If we do have another let's say shape and we want to draw it manually, so we can use this as create sketch. And we do have this option bar. In today's video I will be talking about this option bar. Let's go to straight one and start drawing it. So once I click the first point, I can see this little dash line. So this dash line is the location line. Let's say I do have a wall. Okay, let me just draw a wall and then open 3D and click on WT in order to see this two windows. So let's say I do have this wall and I want to draw my stairs next to it. So go to stairs or stair and then select, instead of center, it was a centered line. Instead of center, I will click on either left or right. We do have some types that have supports next, from the right side and from the left side. That's why we do have exterior support left or right. Let's go with the left one now, and then select or just hover over this endpoint and click the first point. Just drag your stairs and click the second point. So this is as the straight one. Let's say I want to draw from this side. Let's complete it, or just click on this green check, select my stair and then CS for create similar, and then go to the right side and then go from this point, for example, until here. While I'm in this straight one, I'm able actually to draw it as L shape or U shape. So this was about the location line. The location line, either also we can put an offset in for it. Let's go to the left side, okay, and let's say I want to draw another stair next to this one, but I want an offset of, for example, 5 feet, and then start from the same point. We can see that there is an offset next to it. Let's just go to this one. If I click the space, I can actually either on the left side or the right side. And the actual run width is the width of the stair itself. So instead of 3, let's make it 6 now, and then start drawing. I can see that it became 6. Say okay, and then go again. Automatic landing is when we draw this L shape directly. He made or Revit made a landing for it, which is something good to have. And that's it for today's video.